मेरा नाम शरद तांबे है और मैं वास्तु के लेक्चर्स लेता हूँ। इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग का पार्ट पढ़ाता हूँ, आर्किटेक्चर का पार्ट पढ़ाता हूँ। मैं प्रैक्टिस भी आर्किटेक्चर में करता हूँ, इंटीरियर में भी करता हूँ और वास्तु शास्त्र मेरा स्पेशल टॉपिक है। एज ए प्रोफेशन मैं वास्तु शास्त्र का कंसल्टिंग करता हूँ। The topic is important for the positive energies and negative energies impact on human bodies, human life, for better living and peaceful living. The topic is important Vastu Shastra for students as well as public.
Hi, myself Aditi Lotankar. I am currently doing my diploma in architecture and I am in my second year of it of the course. So today's lecture was all about Vastu and how it is important and what goes around, basically what goes around behind this. This lecture was held by Sir Sharad Tambe. During the lecture, we talked about how placement of things are important. So for the starting, we learned about how directions are important for Vastu, how elements, the 5 elements of the nature like air, wind, water, earth and space, they are important and what is their use in Vastu and what is the idea behind that. We talked about that, and during the end we talked about how placements of slope add into the structure and everything. So this was the whole I guess a summary of the today's lecture, and it was very informative and learning architects to know about our history, which is something related to architecture, and this is a study. It's again a part of architecture for us, and it's also very informative and people have also thought about it. So yeah, that was very interesting. We got to learn new things and various different terms also, I would say. So in a nutshell, it was a very good lecture for us, and I would like to thank Sharad Tambe sir for this very amazing and interesting lecture. Thank you.